Alright, so the annotation ratio just basically changes the ratio that you'll be printing on. So you go down there, you click what ratio you want, and it'll print it out differently when you go to print. And you can, it automatically updates on the page, but it really doesn't affect the model itself while you're working on it. So it's primarily used just for printing reasons. And there's also a few other features down there. So the annotate tool is a pretty useful thing. You got to use it when you're using AutoCAD. So if you're at the home screen, you're going to go over to annotate, and then for the text, you go down. You can click on the text box there, add some text. You can make a box. You can type in whatever you want to put in for your title or anything, and you just type it in. You can drag it wherever you want. And you just click to exit out of that. You can go over here and update the font and everything. You can change the size, the width of the letters and everything. So you can, there's a lot of different text styles you can use to change. There's some pretty crazy ones. Then you just hit apply down there and it'll update when you close the box. Then you can go down there and change the height of the text. You can edit it, and there's a lot of pre-made ones there too. So when you got your drawings out there, you can go over next to the text into dimension, and you can do linear dimensions, which are basically what's on the screen, just showing the measurements there. And then I added a circle there, but you can also annotate the circle. They got radius, diameter. They also have other stuff too. Just wanted to show you the circle, but you can make a little leader line and it'll show the radius. Then you can go up there and hit the diameter button, and it'll show the diameter with the leader line too. There's also a quick dimension button, and it'll automatically quick dimension a bunch of things that you select. That could be useful. So annotating leaders, you put the multi-leader button on, you drag it out to where you want, type in a little message here. You can hit the lead. You can make the leader lines wherever you want. You can edit them a little bit too. You can edit the text, font, lettering size, all that kind of stuff. But it'll usually be automatically what you entered in for the other dimensions, text sizes. So if you want to add a table for, like door schedules or stuff like that, you can make little tables there, and you basically just set it up how you want it with the columns and stuff, and you can just slap it on wherever you want. Obviously you'll put it where you need it to be, but you can text in the columns then. Just hit tab and keep doing that. There's other features for that. It's just a basic, what I showed you is just a basic setup for the tables. You can go back and edit it too. So for the list feature, you'll want to go if you start out to annotate there, you'd want to go to home again, go over to properties, and then you'll find it down there, and you hit the list button. And then to do that, you'll drag all the objects or text or anything that you want in your list, and it'll you go down there, you click it, and then you can also copy and paste it into Word documents or whatever. So you can use that for different things too.